Basically, I am being conducted as an interview by Mercy. Sorry, Daisy, for being the first intergalactic Malayali. But she tell me that yesterday my video was cut short. Why? I ask why? Because I'm a Malayali. Come on, peoples. Malayalis are world famous. We are important. Do you know how many Malayalis are there in government of India? A.K. Antony, Defense Minister K.R. Narayanan, President of India. A.B.J. Abdul Kalam, President of India. What? A.B.J. is Tamil. Doesn't matter. What are these people going to know? For them, all of us are Madrasi only, no? Malayali, Bengali, Tamilan, all Madrasi. No problem.